So this is how Chinese dough masters wrap wontons. The first type, ingot wonton. The second type, lucky bag wonton. The third type, rose wonton. The fourth type, bao knot wonton. The fifth type, goldfish wonton. The sixth type, one grab lazy wonton. The seventh type, screw-shaped wonton. The eighth type, cat ear wonton. The ninth type, Sichuan-style wonton. The 10th type, ring wonton. The 11th type, candy wonton. The 12th type, boat-shaped wonton. The 13th type, keyboard wonton. The 14th type, double happiness wonton. If you haven't learned them yet, save this and practice slowly.